mathematicians. Today we are talking about counting on to add. This is a strategy you've been using for a very long time. Probably since you were in kindergarten you've been using this strategy. But we're going to talk about what it looks like on a number line so that you can see, well, what does that actually mean? I know I'm counting, but what does that mean? So who remembers what this is called right here? What is this thing called? And this thing called? What are those called? Number lines. So a number line helps us to see the order of numbers as they come in order. Okay, that's just the important part, is that we're showing the order that numbers are in the world. So let's say that I have the problem 2 plus 5, okay? I have two add-ins here. Do you remember that those are called add-ins? So these are add-ins, add-ins. Those are the numbers that we're adding together right there. So when we have two add-ins, the really best strategy I can give you is to start with the bigger add-in on the number line. And the reason we do that is because if I start with the bigger add-in, I don't have to count up as much. Okay, so I can either start at 5 and only have to count up 2, or I can start at 2 and have to count up 5. And we know because of the commutative property, guess what? It doesn't matter the order that we add the numbers, right? It doesn't matter the order our add-ins come together. We're just finding the whole. So I'm going to start with 5 on the number line. So I'm going to start with 5. That's my bigger number. And I'm going to start with it right here on the number line. I'm going to place my marker on the number line. That's where I'm starting. And then I'm going to hop 2, okay? I'm going to hop 2. 1, 2, and I'm just going forward 2. And what did I end up at? 7. 7 is my what? What is 7? If it's the answer to an addition problem, it's the sum. Amazing. So again, I just want you to remember that you always want to start with the larger number, because we don't want to give our brain any extra opportunities to make mistakes, right? So we want to make sure we're starting with that bigger number. Let's do one more. If I have 9 plus 3, well, my add-ins are 9 and 3. What's the bigger add-in? 9. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to start right here on 9, and I'm going to hop up how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Whatever number I stop at on the number line is my answer. And where did I stop? 12. So what is my sum? 12. Amazing. Thanks for watching, guys.